Hi, it's Jamey Johnston, and I'm here to talk about my session for SQL Saturday in Portland, Oregon, this Saturday, November 3rd. It will be Code Like a Snake Charmer, an introduction to Python. In this session, we'll talk a little bit about why you use Python, what's Python good for. We'll talk about the basics of Python, about how to get the right IDE, the right distribution, how to install that distribution and use it. We'll talk about comments, numbers, strings, the basic data inputs and outputs of Python. We'll then go into the different object types like tuples and lists and dictionaries and how to use them and why to use them. We'll go into pandas, kind of like tables in SQL Server or data frames if you're familiar with R, and how to use pandas and how they work in building models and whatnot in Python. We'll go into the different control flows like if, then else, while loops, breaks, continue, things like that, and how to do a little bit of debugging. We'll do a little more around functions, how to build a simple function in Python. Do a little bit about packages, how to manage packages to extend the base functionality in Python. Then we'll talk a little bit about Microsoft's investment into Python and where Microsoft's using Python. For example, Azure Machine Learning or SQL Server 2017 and now SQL Server 2019 is right around the horizon here. And then we'll do a good demo putting it all together and show a workflow of using Python to build a data model where we input data, split it for training and validation, build a model, save that model out to a binary file, read that binary file back in and predict against it. Kind of a simple, typical data workflow for data science and using Python. So I hope you join me for this session. It is an introduction to Python, so if you know the basics and know the things that I've already talked about, it might be a little too basic for you, but it definitely geared for people with no experience with Python already, who are looking to learn it. And we'll help to have a little bit of programming experience, but even if you don't, it'll definitely be an introduction and a good start. So hope you'll join me and see me there. Thank you.